Sitting in my rocking chair, grandchildren everywhere. I remember Reagan, I remember Nixon, I remember Fred Astaire. Windows of the world collide, save me from the world inside, bending in the winds of time. Windows of the world, open up my eyes. Clinging to a memory, tossed upon the cruelest sea. All the tea in China or the ocean liner couldn't bring them back to me. Windows of the world divide, staring at the rising tide. Where did all the time go by? Windows of the world, teach me how to fly. Sitting in my rocking chair, hand brushing through my hair. You could be my father, you could be my brother, you could be the love affair. Windows of the world collide, save me from the world outside, dissolve me in the air tonight. Windows of the world, set my eyes alight.